Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can calculate installment amount in Excel. So let's start. This is our data for this tutorial. Here we can see that you have taken a loan of $300,000 from a bank at an yearly rate of 8.5% with quarterly payment for 3 years. The question is, what is the payment amount after each quarter? So first, let's understand the question. The loan that you taken from the bank is $300, and you have to give 8.5% interest, and the interest is, this is the annual interest rate. Okay, but you have to pay the installment quarterly, that is in every 3 months. So there are 4 quarters in a year, so you have to pay 4 times in a year, and you have to pay this entire amount along with the interest in 3 years. The loan time is 3 years. Okay, so your task is to calculate the payment amount that you will pay in every 3 months, that is every quarter. Every quarter is your payment period. Okay, so let's before using the formula for calculating the payment, let's give the input first. Annual rate is 8.5%. Okay, uh, quarterly rate, there are this is annual rate. So uh, okay, let's do these first, then we will divide that. Total number of years is 3. Frequency in a year means how many times you have to pay in a year. Okay, so we know we have to pay in every 3 months. So there are the frequency will be 4. Okay, there will be 4 installments. So uh, total number of payments. Okay, if we pay, how we can calculate this? If we pay 4 times in a year, then we have to pay like this for 3 years. So number of payments is equal to this one into this one. So we have to pay 12 times. Okay, 3 times in a year, and this will continue for 3 years. Now loan amount or present value. Loan amount is 300,000. Okay, uh, because we are taking this loan amount at present, so this is the present value. Okay, so we can call this loan amount, we can call this present value. Both of them are right. Now quarterly rate, if this is the annual rate, so what will be the quarterly rate? Divide annual rate by frequency in a year. So this is your quarterly rate. Okay, where we can uh, convert it into percentage. Okay, or if we didn't convert it this into percentage, that will also work. Okay, now payment period per period, that is, we will answer the question now. Now there is a built-in function called PMT is available in Excel to calculate the payment. So after you type PMT and then give open bracket, they are showing you the necessary inputs. So first you have to give the rate. We can see two rates here. One is annual rate and the other is quarterly rate. We will select quarterly rate here because we are uh, we we are working with quarterly payments. That is, we have to pay the installments quarterly. So here we will give the quarterly rate. Then n par, that is number of payments. Okay, this is the total number of payments. Now present value, that is the loan amount. Okay, or present value, this one. Now we can see the other two things. We don't need them to calculate the payment. Closing bracket. Okay, so this is our payment per period. That is, in every 3 months we have to make a payment of $28,586.10. The reason it is giving it is showing as negative number. This is not a negative number actually, this is positive, but because we are making a payment, so this will be a cash outflow, that's why it is showing us in this negative form. Okay, so this is how we can calculate uh, the installment amount in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.